Good evening, Wes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So others also switch on your video. So I think this was the last problem we were supposed to do. Y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x, right? So y is equal to cos of log x plus e power x. So what is dy by dx here? It is minus sine of log x plus e power x into derivative of log x is going to be 1 by x and derivative of e power x is going to be e power x itself. So this is going to be the answer. Right. Okay. Now we'll start with exercise 5.5. Maybe I'll do 4-5 problems, post which I'll explain the concepts of parametric form as well. Right. After that, as I told you, you have the double differentiation. So double differentiation, the concept is simple, right? So we'll start with the first problem. Y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So what are we supposed to do? Take log on both the sides. Log y is equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Right. So what is the derivative of log y? It is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of log of cos x? It is 1 by cos x into minus sin x plus what is the derivative of log of cos 2x? It is 1 by cos 2x into minus 2 sin 2x. Plus derivative of log cos 3x. It is 1 by cos 3x into minus 3 sin 3x. So it is minus 3 sin 3x. If you observe what is the value of dy by dx, that will be equal to y, that is cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x into minus sin x by cos x minus 2 sin 2x by cos 2x minus 3 sin 3x divided by cos 3x. So you can either write it in terms of tan and d, right? Mean sin x by cos x can be written as tan, sin 2x by cos 2x can be written as tan 2x, and sin 3x by cos 3x can be written as tan 3x. So this is going to be the derivative. I hope everyone is clear with this. Is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed? Yeah. Yes. After 47, no? Okay, fine. So y is equal to this value, no? So I can write this as x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5, the whole power half. Can I write it like this? Because it's square root. So when I take log on both the sides, I get log y is equal to half into log of, what is going to be the answer? It is going to be x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2 minus log of x minus 3 minus log of x minus 4 minus log of x minus 5. Because something in the numerator will be added, the denominators will get subtracted. Right. So what will be the answer here? It will be 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to half into derivative of log of x minus 1 is 1 by x minus 1. For log of x minus 2 is 1 by x minus 2 minus derivative of log of x minus 3 is 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Okay. So what we can do here is dy by dx will be equal to half into square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 into, you need to write this whole thing again. So something like this. I hope it is simple. Right?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
1 minute.
Yeah. I'll be back just a minute. Are you done copying this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see how to solve this one. Y is equal to log x to the power of cos x. So taking log on both sides, log y will be equal to cos x into log of log x. Right? So log y will be equal to 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to cos x into, what is the derivative of log x? It's 1 by log x into 1 by x, correct. Plus log of log x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x, no?
Minus.
So cos x divided by x log x plus, sorry, minus sin x into log of log x. Y is how much? It is log x to the power of cos x. So this is how it works. Okay. Correct. Yeah. Shall I proceed? See, for this problem, right, if you see, you cannot directly take log and solve because it's not a single function, it is a function minus another function. So what we will do is, we will take this as y1, this as y2. So if I take y, y will be equal to y1 minus y2. Then dy by dx will be equal to dy1 by dx minus dy2 by dx. Am I right? So what is the value of y1? X power x. So which implies log y1 is equal to x log x. Okay. So 1 by y1 into dy1 by dy2. Sorry, dy1 by dx is equal to x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1. So this will get cancelled. It will be 1 plus log x. Any doubt? So dy1 by dx will be equal to, y1 will go to the other side. What is the value of y1? Y1 is x power x. So it will be x power x into 1 plus log x. So this thing you can remember, the derivative of x power x is mostly, not mostly, the derivative of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. X power x into 1 plus log x. You can remember that also. You will be seeing this function most of the times. Okay. Similarly, what about y2? Y2 is 2 power sin x. Observe, here we need not take log because we know the derivative of 2 power x. So it will be 2 power sin x into derivative of sin x. Sorry, I'm sorry. What is the derivative of 2 power x? 2 power x derivative is 2 power x into log 2. Correct? So 2 power sin x into log 2 into, what is the derivative of sin x? It is going to be cos x. So 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. So what will be the final answer? Dy by dx will be equal to x power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into cos x multiplied with log 2. Shall I proceed? I'll do one last problem. What is the time? 5:20, no? Yeah, it will be correct. But let's check the answer once. Is this what we got? X power x into 1 plus log x minus 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. This is what we got, no? Same, no? 2 power sin x into cos x into log 2. Yeah. So it's matching. Right? No. See, this is a simple problem. Y is equal to x plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4. Am I right? So log y is equal to 2 log of x plus 3 plus 3 log of x plus 4 plus 4 log of x plus 5. Correct? Am I clear with this? I actually skipped one step. Actually, it should have been log of x plus 3 the whole square plus log of x plus 4 the whole cube plus log of x plus 5 the whole power 4. So the power will come as a multiplication factor. So 1 divided by y into dy by dx will be equal to 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus 4 divided by x plus 5. So what is dy by dx equal to? X plus 3 the whole square into x plus 4 the whole cube into x plus 5 the whole power 4 into 2 divided by x plus 3 plus 3 divided by x plus 4 plus 4 divided by x plus 5. Clear with this? See, they have done simplification and all that is not needed. You can leave with this. Clear with this? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So for the next set of problems, I'll give you the hint alone. Solving part, you can do it. Let me check one. Will you be able to handle all these things? Yeah. So everything is mostly function to the power function only. Log x power sin x, cos x power log x, something like that. So it's basically function raised to the power of another function. Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
we should take dy1, y1, y2 like we should divide and do.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Maybe see for every problem, I'll do one last problem and show it to you. See for every problem, if you see, there are two functions added. So you take the first function to be y1, second function to be y2, so that the whole function y is equal to y1 plus y2. So basically the meaning is dy by dx will be equal to d of y1 by dx plus dy2 divided by dx. That is the meaning. Okay. So if I observe y1 will be equal to x plus 1 by x to the power of x. So taking log on both the sides, log y1 will be equal to x into log of x plus 1 by x. Clear with this? So 1 by y1 into dy1 by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of x into log of x plus 1 by x? So first function, x into derivative of log of x plus 1 by x is going to be 1 divided by x plus 1 by x into, what is the derivative of x plus 1 by x? 1. So derivative of x is 1. I am applying chain rule. Derivative of x is 1. What is the derivative of 1 by x? It is minus 1 divided by x square. Correct? So that is for u into v dash. Now plus v into u dash, sorry. V is log of x plus 1 by x into derivative of x is going to be 1. That is all we need to do. Right? So I don't have space here. Just give me a minute. So what will I write here? I'm writing only the right hand part. So I'll get x divided by x square plus 1 divided by x into x square minus 1 divided by x square. Did you understand what I did? I took LCM basically. Plus, what happened? Yeah. Plus log of x plus 1 by x. Clear with this? Yes. So this x will go to the numerator, it will become x square. So when it goes to the numerator, it becomes x square. This x square and x square will get cancelled. So what is that you're left out with? You will have x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 plus log of x plus 1 by x. Correct? I don't think we have the solution here, but somebody, can you check your textbook and tell me if the derivative of the first part is matching? Just check your notes. Is it matching? There is the derivative of the first part alone. There is the derivative of x plus 1 by x, the whole power x. Correct? Sydney? Correct, Amma? You have to unmute and speak.
Sir, correct only, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Even a cycle and you understood that, what we are supposed to do?
Yes, sir, so far I understood.
Okay. If y2 panlama,
Yes, sir.
what is y2? X
X to the
plus,
power of 1 plus 1 by x.
yes, it is x to the power of 1 plus 1 by x. So log y2 will be equal to 1 plus 1 by x times log x. So 1 by y2 into dy2 divided by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 by x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of 1 plus 1 by x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So what will you have? You will have x plus 1 divided by x square. Look at it. I took the LCM. X plus 1 divided by x. You have another x. So this x and x will get multiplied to give you x square minus log x divided by x square so dy2 divided by dx is equal to x power 1 plus 1 by x into this whole thing. Make sense? Check this part, is it right?
Sir, sir.
Okay. So when you're reporting the final answer, you need to write this one plus this one. It will be a little bigger thing. See, here I don't have a space to write. So you need to write it as a single statement. I hope it is clear. So this exercise is actually easy only. All that you need is some patience. Because the equations are a little big. Are we done with this? So remaining problems, can I expect you guys to work on it? You work on it. If there is any doubt, one thing is you have the solutions in the textbook, in the material itself. You have the solution itself. In spite of it, if you're not able to solve or you have any doubt, please reach me on the student support number. Okay. Shall we proceed to the next exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I want to explain the parametric form. It's 5.6. So the next heading is going to be 1 minute. Sorry. I hope it will be faster. Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Yeah. So now we'll go to the next topic, that is the derivatives of functions in parametric forms. Okay. Like I told you yesterday, there are different kinds of functions that we keep dealing with, like the polynomial rational, among which we saw exponential and logarithmic to be one of the functions. Now, what we are going to do is, if you look at the name of the topic, we didn't call it as parametric functions. Rather, we call them as derivatives of functions in parametric form. So for that, we need to understand what exactly parametric form is all about, right? I'll explain it. Listen to this carefully. See, suppose, let's say I have a circle like this, right? I have a circle whose center is origin. Okay. And let's say the radius of the circle is A. Then what is going to be the mathematical equation of the circle? It is going to be x square plus y square is equal to a square. Everybody knows this, right? So this you would have learned last year. Even if you don't remember, at least you will be able to recollect it. You would have seen these kind of equations, x square plus y square is equal to a square, where if you see any mathematical equation, right, I told you one thing already, like whenever you're dealing with a function, you might have a doubt of which one to be considered as a constant and which one as a variable. So only y and x are the terms which are variable in differentiation. Everything else is going to be treated as a constant, right? Having said this, if you look at this equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square, then if I ask you to find what is the dy by dx for this, then what will you do? You will differentiate on both the sides. So you'll write 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of a square is 0, according to the logic which we discussed. Then what will dy by dx be equal to? It will be minus x divided by y. So what you actually did is, I gave you a function which you treated as an implicit function, and then you started differentiating it. So when you did this, you got this as the answer. Am I right? Now, the next question is there a way where I can write x and y in terms of some other parameter? So is there a parameter which I can use, which is common for both x and y? Okay. See, for that, what I'm going to do is, I'll take the same circle. I'll take the same circle. Okay. Now, if I take a random point x comma y on the circle, from the center, what is this distance going to be? Obviously, the radius. So how much is the radius that I considered? It is a. Right. So from here, if I drop a perpendicular and state that this is going to be theta. So now what I did is I dropped the perpendicular. When I dropped the perpendicular, this distance was x and this distance is y. If this is y, this is also y, because it is forming a rectangle. Now the question is, from the basics of trigonometry, what is x divided by a equal to? X divided by a is equal to, can I call it as cos theta? So what will x be equal to? X is equal to a cos theta. Similarly, what is y divided by a equal to? What is y divided by a equal to? It is sin theta, which implies y is equal to a sin theta. Meaning, if I write something as x square plus y square is equal to a square, it conveys a meaning to the reader stating that you have written the equation of circle with center as origin and radius A. The same equation, instead of you writing x square plus y square is equal to a square, if you give the reader saying that x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, this is considered to be the same thing. This is going to be the circle with center as origin and radius a in parametric form. So here you can ask me, what is the parametric form I'm trying to talk about? The parametric form is, I have written x in terms of theta and y also in terms of the theta. So the theta is taken to be the common parameter for both x and y. Are you able to understand? So why I concluded this is also a circle with the center as origin is because if I want to eliminate theta, wherever cos theta and sin theta are involved, right? If you have to eliminate theta, all that you need to do is square and add them. If x is a cos theta and y is a sin theta, then what is x square? X square is a square cos square theta and y square is a square sin square theta. If you add both, what will you get? X square plus y square is equal to a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Basically, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So what is it you're actually getting? You're getting x square plus y square is equal to a square. Meaning the same equation, instead of you writing it like x square plus y square is equal to a square, you can also represent it like this. Are you able to sense what I'm trying to say? Are you able to understand? Is that point clear? Now, are you able to understand what a parametric form actually means? It is not applicable only for a circle. You can write it for many other equations as well. But I took the circle as an example so that it will be easy for you to understand. Is this clear or not? Please give me a confirmation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So I can make a note of it. Shall I proceed?
1 minute.
Yes.
So once can you scroll up?
Sure. So while you're writing, if there is any doubt, please let me know. Not sure if I've scored it to the right place. So are you all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So listen. So listen to this. Now, so if I give you the equation of circle as x square plus y square is equal to a square and ask you to find the value of dy by dx, then you will start differentiating it like this. 2x plus 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. And dy by dx has come out to be negative of x by y. Right? But what did I say? You can write the same equation in a parametric form. So if you give someone as x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, from here, if someone is asking you to find dy by dx, then all that you need to understand is first thing, x is given as some function of theta, y is also given as some function of theta, but it will not be f of theta, it will be some g of theta. So y is given as g of theta. Then if someone asks you what is dy by dx, basically you need to find dy by d theta, which is going to be g dash of theta. Then you need to find dx by d theta, which is going to be f dash of theta. Then what is dy by dx? It is basically g dash of theta divided by f dash of theta. Did you understand what happened here? Am I clear with what I mentioned?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now see, with this x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta, what is going to be the value of dx by d theta? It is very clear. A is a constant. Derivative of cos theta is going to be minus sin theta. Here we will not apply chain rule because your differentiation itself is done with respect to theta. So you will not do any chain rule. Okay. Similarly, when you calculate dy by d theta, what will you get? You will get a times derivative of sin theta is going to be cos theta. Then what is going to be the value of dy by dx? It is a cos theta divided by negative of a sin theta. So this is the final answer. Okay, but observe what is a cos theta according to the question. Is it not x itself? So it is x divided by what is a sin theta according to the question? It is y. So x divided by y and you have a minus sign. If you observe, no, compare this value and this value and see, are they both not the same? Are you able to understand? So whether you treat it as an implicit function and do this, or we are just taking the help of some other variable, which we call it as a parameter, and we write the same mathematical expression in terms of parametric form and differentiate, which will generate the same result. The only difference is the way you handle it. So if you observe both left hand side and RHS, LHS and RHS, you did the same thing. But the way we handle was different. So left side was implicit. You directly started differentiating. right side was parametric form. So you differentiated x separately, you differentiated y separately, then you found the dy by dx. Am I clear with this? Right? You're able to get some perspective out of this? Yes? Can you give me a confirmation? I'm not able to understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
please
sir.
make a note of this. Make a note of this. So let me know once you're done writing. Done? Okay. So let's proceed to the next example. See, this is the example I explained. X is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. So basically, you got the answer as a cot theta. Now we will see this example. Find dy by dx if x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Example 35. Find dy by dx if x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. So here x and y are the functions of which parameter? So x is a function of t, y is also a function of t. Okay, so listen to this. What is dx divided by dt? It is going to be a into derivative of t square, which is 2t. What is dy divided by dt? It is going to be 2a into derivative of t, which is going to be 1. So what is dy by dx? It is dy by dt plus dx by dt. So what is dy by dt? It is 2a. What is dx by dt? It is 2at. Both will get cancelled. The answer will be 1 by t. So this is the final answer. Am I clear with this?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So listen, I'm going to explain something which is not there in your text. Now, whenever they give you something like this, right? See, those who are writing competitive exam, there's an important point. Listen to this. Even if it is not the case, listen to this. It is important. If I give x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280, and I ask you to eliminate the parameter t, then what are you going to do? So x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. If I ask you to eliminate the parameter t, then what you can do is, from y, you can observe that t is equal to y divided by 2a. Am I right? So take this y by 2a and substitute it here. Then what will you get? You will get x is equal to a into y square by 4a square. So a and a will get cancelled, which implies y square is equal to 4ax. What is this basically? This is the equation of a rightward parabola. You know this, right? So this point x is equal to 80 square comma 280 is a parametric form on which equation? On a rightward parabola. Are you able to understand? So here If suppose the question was directly given as y square is equal to 4x and asked you to differentiate, then what will you do? You will write 2y into dy by dx is equal to 4a. So 2 will cancel this 4 2 times. So dy by dx will be equal to a divided by y. Am I right? Now we'll do a comparative study. So here I got the answer as 1 by t.
Sir, the two is done, no, sir, when we
Where?
4a when we're cutting 2a is done, no, sir, should be 2a by y.
Sorry, it will be 2a by y. Correct. It will be 2a divided by y. So 2a divided by y. But what is y according to this question? Y is 280. So if you substitute 280 here, what will the answer come out as? 1 by t. So whether I differentiate this y square is equal to 4x and then substitute the point, or if I directly differentiate the point itself, I'll get the same answer. Am I clear with what I'm saying? Are you able to understand? Yes or no? See, one thing I would stress is whatever I'm doing in the second method, no, you need not do that for CBSE. You need not do that at all. All that you need to do for parametric form is every question will have one common parameter in both x and y. Differentiate x separately with that parameter, differentiate y separately with that parameter. To dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, 1 minute, correction here. Dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So this is all you need to know. This is the final answer. If you see the solution also, you will understand. 1 by t, that is what you need to do. Similarly, can you tell me what you're supposed to do here? Just tell me, then you can solve it later. So what are you supposed to do here? X is a function of which parameter? The parameter and tell me what is common in x and y. So
Theta.
this is a function of theta. This is also a function of theta. So find dx by d theta, dy by d theta. Then dy by dx will be dy by d theta, dx by d. That's all you need to do. If you see, every problem follows the same pattern. But if you look for 37th problem, if you look for the 37th problem, they asked you dy by dx if x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equal to a power 2 by 3. Okay, you can directly differentiate also. You will get the same answer. Or what you can do is you can consider a substitution. What is the substitution they have considered? X is equal to a cos cube theta and y is considered to be a sin cube theta. The reason why they considered is because if you see the power is 2 by 3, they want to eliminate the 3 so that you will get cos square theta plus sin square theta. That is the reason they considered it like this. So if suppose the same question is coming in miscellaneous, right? If this question is coming in exam, unless they have mentioned it that you need to use a parametric form, it is not necessary that you need to follow only that method. You can solve it using treating it as an implicit function also. Like yesterday, I told you one case study, right? Like you solve the problem directly, solve the problem by applying logarithm. In a similar way, what you can do is solve the problem directly, treating it as implicit function, and solve the problem treating it as a parametric form also, so that you will have better understanding. You will have a better grip on it. Are you able to understand? So I just wanted to explain the theory. Is it clear or not? Give me a confirmation.
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. So the problems alone, you try it. If there is any doubt, you let me know. Okay. So that's it from my side. We'll wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.